Alright guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, 2019. We are in Greece. Had to think about that for a second. We're in Greece, New York. Just getting ready to pull around to the receiving door, see if we can get unloaded. Okay guys, we just got empty here in Greece, New York. It is 2:45 in the afternoon, so they took quite a long time to unload me. Getting ready to head back down towards Breinigsville. Looks like it's going to be another late night, and I think I don't even know if I'm going to have time to take a shower now. Hoping to. We'll see what happens. Okay guys, we're finally rolling. Headed back towards Pennsylvania. Just getting onto the 390 here in Rochester. It's going to, shouldn't be really much traffic yet. Kind of a yucky day here in Rochester. Kind of misty and cool. It's only 52 degrees right now.
In 3 miles, keep right.
We should be in Breinigsville, if we don't stop anywhere, about 8:15 tonight. And we'll do that drop and hook down there and head back north towards New Hartford, New York. Seems like I've been to New Hartford a lot in the last week. This will be, I think, the 3rd time since a week ago. But looking like, depending on a few factors that I can't control, look like about 2 a.m. arrival in New Hartford. Hoping to squeeze a shower in there, but we're not going to do it on the way down. Hopefully we'll catch one on the way up. Alrighty guys. We're making our way down 390 here. We're going to go all the way down to 86. Just coming up on the airport area here in Rochester. Hey, we're going to let you go for now, and we'll talk to you a little bit later. Okay guys, we just arrived here at Breinigsville. It's 8:30. Alright guys, we're going to be putting this trailer out of service because the ABS light, this amber light came on when we were just a short distance away from here dropping. So that, and the license plate light is out now too. So I don't know, it may have something to do with the wiring, because there's a bunch of wires right here. I don't know if you can really see anything. Usually not the case with the ABS. It's usually something to do with a sensor or something like that. But we'll put it out of service, this way they don't load it and somebody have to come and look at it. So I'll just put a sign here. Out of service, don't load. Okay. What is our seal number here? Let's see. $62.55. Very good. Very good. Hey, there's that plate I was telling you about. That mud flap is ripped. Looks like there was a piece of zip tie holding from ripping more. Alright guys, we are loaded and out the gate. Got all our paperwork done. Got all our check calls made we needed to do. Still gonna have to make a stop in Binghamton for fuel at the TA. I may even stop at that supermarket, White's supermarket that we stopped at last week. I don't really have much to eat in here. We'll see. See if time allows. I think I got time. We'll see. Alright, let me get these lights shut off and we will talk to you later. Okay, I'm here in New Hartford, New York. It's almost 3 in the morning now. I stopped for fuel in Binghamton and took a shower. and had a little trouble with the truck down there. I still have a fault code on the dash here. Here, I'll show it to you. I don't know if that's showing up there. But it says the SCR system is altered or a fault detected. Basically meaning the DEF system. Earlier I had like 3 faults. I had that fault there. I had the red light on the DEF tank level gauge, and the truck was also in derate, and it had a warning that it was going to derate further in 4 hours. But it derated to the first level, and when I got to Binghamton and shut the truck off and got fuel and left it off for a little while, when I turned it back on, there's only this fault here. So I think it was just a glitch in the computer, and probably more than likely when I get going again tomorrow, that fault will also be gone, because it took the derate away. The motor's running at normal horsepower, so I guess that'll come off there. Okay, I want to thank everybody for joining me here today on the Trucker John Show. Glad you could be here. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you tomorrow. Take care, everybody.